In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Facebook story something went wrong. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is try refreshing the app or the page because sometimes it's a temporary glitch. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also give a fresh restart to your device. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Facebook. If you found the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, go to Settings, then navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find Facebook app and launch it. Now click on Offload app, again click on Offload app to confirm it. Likewise, for the Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on App Info, go to the Storage option, then click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next, log out and log in back to your account. Launch Facebook, click on three bars, click on log out, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and log in back to reset your session. Likewise, check if you are connected to any VPN. If you are connected to VPN, disable it. This might resolve the issue. Likewise, check the date in your device, go to Settings, then General, Date and Time, toggle on for the option set automatically. Lastly, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.